Hello everyone. Today I wanted to talk about the top 5 algebra mistakes that I see students making in calculus and how they could correct those mistakes. The most common mistake that I see is students will write x plus y squared as x squared plus y squared. This is a big mistake, and what we need to do is we need to remember that x plus y squared can be written as x plus y times x plus y. And then what we need to do is we need to distribute the terms like we are doing FOIL. So then we would have x squared plus xy plus xy plus y squared, and when we combine like terms, we get x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Another mistake that I see students making is that they will write the square root of x squared plus y squared as x plus y. Now, this isn't true, and the square root of x squared plus y squared is actually as far as we can simplify this expression. Something we can simplify would be like the square root of x squared times y squared, and we could rewrite that as x squared times y squared raised to the 1/2 power. And then what we could do is we could distribute the 1/2 power to both of those terms, giving us x squared raised to the 1/2 times y squared raised to the 1/2, which would simplify to be x times y. Another mistake that I see students making a lot has to do with the natural logarithm. So they'll write the natural logarithm of a plus b as the natural logarithm of a plus the natural logarithm of b. So now this isn't true, and the natural logarithm of a plus b is actually as far as you can simplify. People are actually confusing it with this rule, which is the natural logarithm of a times b equals the natural logarithm of a plus the natural logarithm of b. Another big mistake I see students make is confusing two different rules. For example, they'll write x squared times x to the 4th as x to the 8th, or they'll write x squared raised to the 4th power as x to the 6th. Something we could do to stop confusing the product rule for exponents and the power rule for exponents is to break it down. If we write x squared as x times x, and x to the 4th as x times x times x times x, then we could see there are 6 x's in total. So then we can rewrite x squared times x to the 4th as x to the 6th. We could also split up this one too if we write it as x squared times x squared times x squared times x squared. So if we were to break those down even further, then we would have x times x repeated 4 times. Then we would see that there are 8 x's in total, so we could write x squared to the 4th power as x to the 8th. Another big mistake I see students make is they will incorrectly subtract functions from each other. So, for example, say I have the function f of x equals x squared plus 3x plus 6, and then I have the function g of x equals 2x squared plus 4x minus 5. So what students will do incorrectly is that when they subtract g of x from f of x, they'll only negate the first term of g of x. So what they'll write is x squared plus 3x plus 6 minus 2x squared plus 4x minus 5. What you should do to avoid this mistake is to put parentheses around the entire function g, and then make sure to distribute the negative to all of the terms. So f minus g would then be x squared plus 3x plus 6 minus 2x squared minus 4x plus 5. Then combining like terms gives us negative x squared minus x plus 11. Those are all the common mistakes I see students making with their algebra in calculus. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video.